All right, the assignment you're going to be working on today is going to have you reviewing formulas, ionic and covalent compounds, or whether it's ionic or covalent, the name, and the molar mass. On the back side, instead of the formula, it's giving you the name. You come up with the formula. Okay, so remember, ionics are made of metals and nonmetals and have "ide" at the end of them when you're naming them. Polyatomics stay the same. Roman numerals for transition metals. And remember, our transition metals are here, and we do have some down in here also. Okay, our covalent are the nonmetals. They use prefixes for both, except we don't use mono on the first word. That's really all you need to worry about those. And then molar mass, we've done this many times already. This is just going to be a review. We're counting the number of each atom and then adding the masses from the periodic table for all the atoms. Okay, so if we pick one of these, let's go ahead and let's do number 16, NaHCO3. Now, if I look on the back, HCO3 is a polyatomic. That's bicarbonate. So our name is going to be sodium bicarbonate. Since it has a polyatomic, we know that it has to be, and sodium's a metal, we know it has to be ionic. And our molar mass we're going to take our sodium, NaHCO3. We have one of each except the oxygen, there's three. So Na equals 22.99. H equals 1.008. C equals 12.011. And O, three of them, we'll figure out that total. So my 15.999 times 3 is going to give me 47.997. And then we're going to add them all up, and we get 84.006. And that's our answer for this one right here. So 84.006. Okay, now let's see if we can find a covalent one to work on. This one right here. I and F are both on the right side of the periodic table. So this one's going to be covalent. My name is going to be iodine. We don't need to have mono for the first word, just keep that in mind. And then 5 is penta. So this is going to be pentafluorine. Or fluoride, sorry. We changed it to the "ide" ending. And our molar mass is going to be, so our iodine is going to be 126.904 plus our fluorine, which is 18.998 times 5, which is going to give us a total of 221.894. And that's what we'll be putting here. Okay, other side, same thing, except the only difference is that we're going from the name to the formula. Just remember, when you're going from the name to the formula, let's go ahead and do a couple of these. So tin for selenide, that's going to be, tin is SN. We know it's a +4. And selenide is a -2. Se -2. So then we know we need 2 of these. Done. And this is going to be an ionic. And then you guys can figure up your molar mass. I trust that you can do that. Let's look at one more that is let's look for prefixes. Sulfur tetrafluoride. That's going to be, because we see the prefixes, we know that's going to be covalent. And and sulfur is S, fluoride is F, and tetra means 4. And then again, you can figure up your molar mass on that side. If you have any questions, let me know, but hopefully this will be a good review, getting this stuff fresh in your mind again, because we will be using our molar mass a lot.